now, ladies and gentlemen, straight ahead, the 9 junior lights, and the Boss Pizza team in Maple formation, in preparation for the Maple Split. Maple Split, followed by the magnificent Maple Split.
This was the last one. Of our dedicated ground crew who diligently maintain our aircraft and keep us safely airborne day after day. They are Snowbird 1 Alpha, the crew chief, Sergeant Douglas Denham from Barbell, France. Snowbird 2 Alpha, Private Sean Falzerano from Winnipeg, Manitoba. Snowbird 3 Alpha, Corporal Kim Farrell from Cole Harbour, Nova Scotia. Snowbird 4 Alpha, Corporal Justin Hill from Beaverbank, Nova Scotia. Snowbird 5 Alpha, Master Corporal Curtis Walter from Munster, Saskatchewan. Snowbird 6 Alpha, Corporal Chris Delvin from Clarenville, Newfoundland. Snowbird 7 Alpha, Corporal Winston Rose from Boxey, Newfoundland. Snowbird 8 Alpha, Master Corporal Sean Murphy from Kindersley, Saskatchewan. Snowbird 9 Alpha, Corporal Russell Egler from Regina, Saskatchewan. And finally, Snowbird 10 Alpha, our technical coordinator out front with the camera, Corporal Reed Bellamy from Sauble Beach, Ontario. But he told me today that he wishes he was from Summerside.